So, hi. Hello guys. What is up? Today we are filming a completely different video because I am not going to teach you anything, or I am not going to talk about social media, because we are going to talk about iPad and Apple products and accessories. Because we are, what day is it? Wednesday, September 30th. And finally, after a month of waiting, my iPad Pro 11 2020 is finally on its way out for delivery. I ordered a beast August 29th. It's been a while. I am in my office, got the window wide open because I'm waiting for FedEx, and I'm waiting for FedEx since 10 a.m. and it's 1:42 p.m. and they're still not here. They didn't tell me what time they'll be here. They're like, out for delivery by the end of day. What does that mean, sir? The day is long. There's a lot of hours, okay? I don't know. So since we don't have the iPad and I cannot show you the iPad yet, I'm going to show you what I got for it. Actually received already September 1st the Apple Pencil and the Airpods, because Apple had a deal like for students and it works for people who are not students, so that's amazing. And so the deal is, I think it's still on, so you have to go check on apple.com, and I believe it's still on, I don't know. But get an iPad or MacBook Pro, you have AirPods for free. Already get the beauty. I'm going to be able to draw cool things. And so I already unboxed the AirPods here. And so yeah, as I told you, I got that September 1st, so it's been a while. I already used them. I bought that cute case to go with it, about like $6 on Amazon. I'm gonna link everything that I'm talking about in this video. I will link that in Shop My Amazon down below in the description. I got this, it just covering the recharging case, and so you open it and yeah, you can, you know, take it off and stuff, and you can still open this and charge it. So let's go into the accessories. I saw a girl buying this for Apple Pencil and I was like, oh, that's too cute, I'm going to get it. That's an Apple Pencil cover. It's a silicone case. So this is where we're going to put the Apple Pencil later. When I got the iPad, we will do like this. Doesn't, here you go, it's focusing now. Oh, so cute, with little cat ears, and this is to protect the tip when you're not using the Apple Pencil, so that's kind of cool. And it comes two in case you lose one. And then I got a case. Obviously I wanted to buy everything black for this iPad. For some reason I ended up buying everything in colors, so I just don't know. This case is from Dadanism. It's a denim and plastic kind of. So this is that blue, you can't really see, but I would say it's a blue greenish. So the texture is really cool. It's like that denim material, and the back is just like plastic. When you open it, it's like super soft here. About my screen protector, I found that thing that when you want to draw or create things with your Apple Pencil, it's better to use a matte screen and like a paper-like kind of feel. And so I heard of paper-like, and I was like, oh, I'm just going to go on Amazon and find something that says paper-like, and it's like the brand. But I've seen so many good reviews, but when I'm reading those reviews, I read tons of reviews saying, oh, my pencil, Apple Pencil T is broken. I was like, you know what? I heard that paper-like is not like that. This is their thing, like it doesn't damage the Apple Pencil. So this is why I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. I don't know. So anyways, I got the paper-like one. So for about like $40, I got two of them. So definitely not cheap for a screen protector, but I mean, it's a screen protector, you know, you spend already so much money on an iPad. Better having the best product to protect it, right? We're opening this together right now because I am curious. I have no idea. Oh, so you open it like this and you have like a... Ooh, see how to start using your paper-like. Use paperlike.com. Okay, we'll do that. I actually watched already a video, yeah, because I'm obsessed. I don't have the iPad, okay? I watch all the videos. What do we have here? We have a card with installation tool. You have to go use paperlike.com and you got inside guide stickers and dust absorber. You get like a wipe, iPad meet wet wipes, and we got that close to like, you know, dry the screen afterwards. And the last thing inside of Paperlike, it's the actual screen protector, right? And so we have two of them. Alright, so we have two of them. So if we mess up, we have another one. So that's great. Also, if something happened to it, you know, like a scratch or something. The last thing I wanted to show you is my iPad stand. That was super cheap too. I think I paid like $12 for it. And it's kind of cool. So I'll also go a little bit higher, so you can put it down or up and lock it like this, and here you can rotate if you want your iPad to be like facing this direction or like be completely in front of you. I like this because sometimes when I call people on FaceTime thing, if you call with your case, the case doesn't put your iPad like totally straight. You give that weird angle, either like this or like that. And so when you use a stand that can, you know, change how you want your iPad to look like, it's really cool. Now I'm waiting. It's there. So, you know, this is the next day. It's gonna show my face in a while, so I'm not wearing the same thing because FedEx took forever yesterday to deliver me. They actually didn't even, and they delivered me today on October 1st. So I opened this and I wanted to open that one. Yeah. Oh my god, I am so excited. Woo! Sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow, we're going to open this properly together in a minute. Here is the beauty. I get iPad Pro 11-inch 2nd generation Wi-Fi 128 GB. I believe I took the spice gray color. Let's opening the thing. I am extremely excited about these guys. You have no idea. I waited 1 month to do this and now it's finally here. So yesterday, since I sold my old iPad, yesterday I had nothing to work with, that my phone and my computer, and I used to do everything on my iPad now, and that was really hard. Hope it's not broken. Would not be nice. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to open this. Oh boy. And we have the instruction charger. Let's take care of the actual iPad. We're going to put on the Paperlike screen protector, and we're also going to put my case, and after we're going to turn it on and see. But first, let's take off the plastic. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. We don't need this anymore. Thank you very much for your service. The first thing we are going to do is put screen protector on it. It says you have to do it in a place that there's not a ton of dust. As you can see, there's tons of dust. So great, I'm not listening. super exciting. Gonna clean some more with my stuff. Oh, it's so weird touching. And so now let's put the cases. This is exciting, guys. This is exciting. Oh yeah, here we go. I really like the case. Like this or like that for drawing. It's kind of nice, right? Okay, so opening the Apple Pencil. I got it September 1st, so it's been a month since there. I have no idea what's inside this either. We can actually open here. Yes! It's so soft. Put on my little cover for it. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. And so you have the little thing to put there to protect it. I'm ready. Turning this on. No idea what I'm doing. I mean, I do, but I don't. Turning on. I think I'm going to need my phone at some point. Hello. Hi. Swipe to open. English. Ah, I'm gonna need my iPhone to do this. It says continue the setup. So this is what we're gonna do. Ooh, we have to do the Face ID. Okay, iPad can recognize the unique 3D feature of your face to unlock automatically, use Apple Pay, make purchase, blah blah blah. Okay, continue. Oh, I need to install iPad iOS 14 now. I think it's gonna be ready to y'all. Okay, well, this stuff that I'm going to delay. So that's what we're going to do now. I made a list actually on things that I want to keep and things that I want to delay. We need to find a new wallpaper. I haven't tried this yet, so... Oh. Yes. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Your Apple Pencil unlock a whole new iPad OS experience. Try Apple Pencil and write in the area to convert it. Okay, let's see. Oh, that is so weird. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, cool. I can, change that. All right. So, here's all my list of things that I want to keep. Put it here. And things that I want delayed. Alright, oh, this is so nice and big and perfect. What? Oh, I love it. And what we're gonna do is we can go on board, go on my wallpaper thing. I found two of my wallpapers, so I'm gonna put a quote here which says good things are coming because I like that. So it's gonna be my lock screen. And I found this one that I really like too, just simple as a wallpaper. Yes, it's cute. I need to reorganize all of this because that's a little bit messy. I'm not sure I'm going to keep all those apps either, so... Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I am planning on making a new video, another one, about the iPad Pro, and I will show you how I customized it and organized it in another video because I believe this video is going to be already pretty long. And also I will show you every app I got and how I use them. So I think we will do like an iPad series or everything that I do on my iPad Pro, and yeah, it's gonna be very excited and I can't wait to log in and start to play with it and see what I can do with this. If you like this video and if you want to see my next videos that are coming about my iPad, don't forget to subscribe down below and leave me a comment if you have an iPad and what apps should I download to create things and stuff. I really would love to know what you guys are using on your own iPad. See you very soon in another video. Bye.